Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting by confirming permissions and choosing the right hardware. Open your OS privacy settings and enable microphone access for your browser or Bandlab app. This prevents blocked audio. Once done, launch Bandlab and pick your actual input device in audio settings, not a default or aggregate device, because incorrect selection causes silence. Make sure sample rate and buffer size match your interface. Mismatches create dropouts. Also plug directly into USB or a quality interface. Wireless mics often add latency and unreliability. Next, focus inside Bandlab. Open the mix editor and select the track's input channel that matches your mic or interface. Adjust gain on the interface first so levels peak around -6 dB. This prevents clipping and preserves headroom. Then set Bandlab's sample rate to match your driver, 44, 1 or 48 kHz, and pick a buffer size that balances latency and stability. Once levels are acceptable, enable software monitoring to hear yourself. Monitor only after gain is set to avoid feedback loops and unpredictable meters. Finish by doing a real test. Arm the track and record a few seconds while speaking. Inspect the waveform to confirm signal and consistent levels. If it's still silent, restart Bandlab and your computer, swap USB ports or cables, and disable other apps that might hold the mic. Make sure the interface driver is up to date. Reinstall if necessary. If problems persist, clear the browser cache and reset microphone permissions, because stale permissions or drivers are the most common remaining cause and usually fix the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.